Sally. And Sally there too. Yes. And and Jackie. Mhm. Yes, yeah. Well, I don't know who wouldn't. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Eventually. Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, there. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. When you're hot though, the summer hot, man.
Let me talk to him, granddad.
Yes, me mash them up bad, you know.
Let me talk to
Yes.
Let me talk to him, granddad.
Because they was saying that a five dead, it gone to 40 odd. And it going to be more. And it going to be more too. Hmm.
So my two aunties from England, Auntie and Sally and Auntie Jackie. They fly out, far out, maybe 9 hours. So when we go to England, you know, say, that's when you're gonna say my Auntie
Now, what if a
Sally and
people,
my
what,
Auntie
what if
Jackie.
a people missing, man?